So to get into the fabrication inspection, I'm gonna bring this up a little bit. It makes my life a little bit easier to use this section box, but I go to scan inspection. Here is where I can actually turn those section boxes on and off. But obviously I want to keep it on because I'm going to inspect to this unit. I can click on the different components individually here with the finger, or I can do everything that's in the model. So here is my scan to model. Everything's well within ½ inch, besides kind of those latches, which are coming out over ½ inch out, and the inside where the handle goes in. I can bring this inspection scale bar down to get a better view of what's going on. Again, everything's looking pretty good. You can start to see where the curve of that element is not designed. So we're seeing about over ½ inch difference in between there, getting up to ½ inch, and where it's almost an inch out or bumping out where those handles are. So covering kind of the full component. I could then create a report just showing the generic views about how everything's fitting together, where we're running into issues, and save that. Or I can even export this point cloud out. I can export it as an E57 or LAZ or LAS. If I did an LAZ, I can actually share that through Connect to my detailer. If he's sitting somewhere else and he's using TechLink, I can actually stream that back in to adjust what the model is. So if somebody else is coordinating what I built, they're going to have a correct model. But we can export that out as well too, bring it into TechCloud, Revit, AutoCAD, etc. So if I want to do that inspection cloud, I can do that, or I can actually just export the entire cloud. And so that inspection cloud will be a little preview cloud, or that inspection coloring. The scan export to BIM is going to be the full density. So that'll actually be more points than just what's in that inspection. I can download them here as well too, to just get an idea what that looks like and how many points I'm getting through for. So thanks. This is a short video tutorial series, so please reach out to your nearest building point representative if you have any questions on how to use your X9 and scanner to make sure what you're building matches what was designed. And if it is different, hopefully you can update those designs if you can't change it in the shop. But if you can, fix it in the shop before you ship it out and it gets to field and doesn't fit. Thanks.